When installing a new or existing hook on a Qwik-Tip unit, it's important to clean the taper lock bushing, the hub, and the Qwik-Tip actuator shaft. The Qwik-Tip taper lock hub and hook bushing are made at machine surfaces. The hook hub is designed to be compressed by the hook bushing as the two pieces are drawn together. The mating surfaces of the Qwik-Tip hook bushing and hub should never be compromised by grinding. The two surfaces are meant to fit smoothly together to allow the hub to be compressed by the bushing. Install a Qwik-Tip hook by placing it over the actuator shaft. Now insert the hub over the shaft and into the hook bushing. Align the keyway on the hub and the actuator shaft and insert the stainless steel tapered key. Align the tapered end of the key with the actuator shaft. The key should now be driven into the shaft and bushing until the key is flush with the end of the actuator shaft. For proper hook alignment, the bushing should be driven past the end of the shaft by about 3/16 of an inch. Now rotate the Qwik-Tip hook back to its position prior to its removal. The threaded areas on the hook bushing should align with the unthreaded areas on the hub. Now insert the install screws into the install holes on the hook and bushing and draw the hook and bushing together. This is done by alternately tightening the install screws. Notice we're temporarily using 5/8 bolts. This speeds the install of the hook on the hub. Check to see that the hub is approximately 3/16 of an inch set inside the end of the shaft prior to compressing the bushing. We'll now alternately snug the two bolts, drawing the hook and hub together. Do not torque the two temporary bolts. They should only be very lightly tightened. Next, we'll be removing the two temporary bolts. We'll then insert the two set screws. Prior to inserting the set screws, we apply a small amount of thread lock to each set screw. Once the set screws are installed, we're going to torque each set screw to 66 foot-pounds. To ensure the hook and bushing have properly seated, it's recommended that a hammer is used to hammer around the outer edge of the hook. This sets the hook and bushing. Now retorque the two set screws to 66 foot-pounds. Further information on installing the Qwik-Tip hook can be found in your operator's maintenance manual. Prior to returning the unit to service, operate the Qwik-Tip unit to ensure the hooks rotate from the parked position to the locked position. At this time, we also recommend checking the hook and tip bar timing. This information can be found in the operator maintenance manual.